Myself, Mohammad Shakir Qadri. And I've joined Agos in May 2024. It's been around 2 years now, and so very good company. It's been pleasure to work over here.
Myself, Sanjay Kurmi. I will be working here since more than 2.5 years.
Hello, my name is Aftab. I am working in Agos Aviation since last year.
I am working as an analyst for the invoice processing of catering. As in the flight departs, they need the catering. So we are resolving the discrepancy of the invoices in catering invoices and do the payments for that. I joined in accounts payable invoice processing over here, and the experience was very good. And we got a very great exposure. We're directly coordinating with the clients itself.
Before that, I was not having any aviation background experience. So from beginning, since we can call it from zero, I had started here is in aviation. I had learned a lot from beginning. At what that time, approx 25 employees were there, and currently we are heading towards 70 employees. Means we are achieving a good growth, and by end of the financial year, we can close by 100 employees. We are having means good growth from company point of view. I had a good experience, means learning a lot, because in previous organization we used to handle a particular section only, but here I used to do multiple, such as handling payroll system, preparation of invoicing for airlines, looking after other admin roles.
So basically, here my profile is for accounts payable. Here, I am processing the invoices which we receive from the client and vendors. It's for me, it's over here it's new because previously I used to work for accounts receivable. Now over here I have learned a lot of things. Like in accounts receivable, I have learned how to communicate with the vendors, emailing them, following up them, statement of accounts which they are providing us. I am reverting them properly and gaining lots of knowledge and developing myself. Basically mostly when we request vendor for credit notes, and so they are we have provided these services, but sometimes they charge us double. Duplicate invoices are coming, so we try to resolve them and provide a clear and convenience for everyone. For me, it's I have just joined for invoice processing, ground handling, but an incident took place where Shreyans, my colleague was there. He left for in between. He left for that, and he was responsible for doing that hotel invoices. So that responsibility was given to me by the management.
Yeah, as I've joined in Agos, as it's been a transition process, so I'm the only one in the Bombay what I'm doing for that. So it's a very huge project. So, and I'm the only one. So we need to direct coordinate with the client, and we have a different time zone. So it's been a bit difficult.
Last year we had started one service that is built up service for the for an airline. They were having a issue regarding demurrage charges, no? So Pranay sir has out to solve the, because in that complex, because it's warehousing only providing us a discounted rate. So Pranay sir help us to get solve the demurrage working and all. Yes, of course, because in aviation, when did I join the organization, I was not used to, because every employee means in custom catering, but they were means normal language, just they were telling Alpha 433 GT. So we are not used to it. But after I joined, step by step, especially Pranay sir helped me out. How can I get through basic thing? He helped me out to get thing organized way. Any last year some incident what happened. So Pranay sir and Sanand sir personally helped me that what was the difficulties you are facing on personal level. Why did you commit such sir and helped me. Means he provided me counseling. So I get some counseling from company.
It's very great over here. The support from the leadership team, the boss itself, and the management whole leadership team. They are very great, supportive, and they are very close to us for anything you need to ask. It's very great to work over here. We get a great exposure and everything else. Like the whole leadership team is working with us only. So if we have anything, we can just directly ask the team. Yeah, it's very. We have done very fun activities like outing and everything else. If there is any update, we got update on the floor itself with the whole team from the managements. Very superb. This Anand as a boss is very cool boss I've ever seen. He's very supportive. He's already open to us every time. If we have any ideas, it is good or bad, we can directly speak to Sanand.
Since here management and every means my reporting level also, we can call is supportive at every point of view. Means from financial needs at every point of view. Means they are ready to help you out. I had worked with in previous organization. There was only our boss or manager. So I had coordination with one with my manager only. But here is not, sir. I am coordination with Pranay sir as well, and from Sanand sir directly, and even I am familiar with their family members also.
Nothing is like bossiness. Like some of the like I am the manager, I will rule over that. It's not like over here. It's not like that. It's friendly nature for everyone. And if I'm giving 100 of foolishness of idea, they will like implementing is different, but they will listen and accept it.
The company is growing. We have seen the growth of the company. As when I joined, there is very less employees over here, and now we can see the whole floor. Yeah, it will grow very faster. The company will expand way faster than.
I want to see myself at a respectable position where I can get more exposures in aviation background.
Since it's a growing company, so if the company will grow, we will automatically grow.